I'm Linda Baxt, Deputy Director of Policy Services, with today's NYSSBA Mailbag question. With the Dignity for All Students Act going into effect on July 1st, what does the district need to do regarding its Code of Conduct? Updating the Code of Conduct is an important element of complying with the Dignity for All Students Act. A Code of Conduct, in accordance with state law and Commissioner's regulations, includes a number of sections, some of which are not affected by the Dignity Act. The sections that are affected, and bear in mind that these sections may go by different titles in your district, are definitions, reporting and data collection, prohibited conduct, public conduct on school property, and a description of the role of teachers, administrators, parents, etc. We can't address each of these items in this mailbag, but we wanted to make you aware of the different parts of the code that are impacted by the law and highlight some of the changes. With respect to definitions, the Dignity Act offers definitions of harassment, sexual orientation, and gender that are important to include in the code. The prohibited conduct section must list, if it doesn't already, harassment and discrimination as behaviors that are not permitted. In addition, the code must address consequences for violating school rules by engaging in acts of harassment or discrimination. Since the law expanded the list of protected classes to include weight, religious practice, and ethnic group, the code should be reviewed to insert these categories throughout the document. In addition, the law says that actual or perceived membership in any of these groups is protected, so that needs to be noted in the Code of Conduct as well. Once the Code of Conduct is updated, your district needs to ensure that student handbooks reflect these changes as well. The Dignity Act specifically requires that an age-appropriate version of the code be made available to students. The Dignity Act provides districts with an opportunity to review their Code of Conduct in a more comprehensive way than may have been done otherwise. Please remember that a public hearing to allow for input from the community must be held before changes to the Code of Conduct can be adopted by the Board of Education. The board may choose to do this by holding a separate public meeting or by setting aside time at a regularly scheduled meeting. Please contact NYSSBA Policy Services if you would like more information on this. And keep sending your questions to us at mailbag@nyssba.org.